Today's video is a very vital video. Since I made a video about the relocation to Finland via the free vocational education, a lot of you have been bombarding me with very sensitive questions, and I decided to sit up here and make a detailed video on the things you should know before you get started with these vocational educations. In this video, I will discuss the costs of the proof of fund for you and your entire family. I'm going to give you a total breakdown of what it will cost you. I mean the proof of fund. Remember, the tuition fee is 100% free. You are not paying for school fees, but you will pay for your accommodation in Finland, and you will be responsible to apply for your visa and your flight tickets. So I'm giving you a detailed cost of how much the proof of fund costs for you and your family members. I'm telling you what is obtainable after you graduate, how you can get your resident permit in Finland after you graduate from this. That's why I said this is a very sensitive topic. My slogan has always been, when it comes to relocation, have a plan. Know what is obtainable. Know what you are getting into before you start getting into it, so you don't get stopped in the middle of the ocean. Besties, in today's video, all your queries on Finland vocational education, settling in Finland after the studies, will be answered in this video. Do not skip any part of this video, because at the end of this video, you come again to ask me the same questions I have treated in this video. I will not reply you. So listen, if possible, get a pen and paper to jot down these points I will be making with you guys in this video, so that you sit down and think about it. Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel, Dear Positivity Gang. It is Mama Positivity in the building. I am sorry we couldn't upload on Thursday. Why? We have been busy with the Finland vocational studies with those that we are mentoring. By the special grace of God, we have delivered for those going for practical nursing. We are starting the application for those going for cleaning, and our next class is today. If you are joining me for the first time, I am Adeze, popularly called Mama Positivity on the streets of YT. Welcome back to my channel. You might want to be part of the family by hitting that subscribe button down below, turning on post notifications. You might also want to hit that like button down below so that YouTube will recommend this vital information to a lot of people out there. To all my returning subscribers, God bless you all. Thank you for always coming back. You might also want to smash that share button. Remember, we rise by lifting others. Put a smile on people's face. With that being said, besties, God bless you all for your support. Let us proceed. I got a lot of queries concerning this Finland education. A lot of people are asking different questions, and I am here to address them. The number one question people are asking me, Mama Positivity, did you say this thing is free? I am repeating myself. Vocational studies in Finland is 100% free. You don't pay a dime. The only money you pay is the course you are doing. Let's say there is uniform. You buy your uniform yourself. Textbooks that you used to study, you buy it yourself. But the tuition fee is free. The second question a lot of you ask me is, do they provide accommodation? Even in the video, there is no accommodation. However, they gave you 4 websites where you can get accommodation. Besties, when I got to all these websites where you can get accommodation, I noticed that a lot of them have family accommodation, shared accommodation, single accommodation, mention it. It's left for you to go to these websites and look for accommodation yourself before you arrive Finland. And these accommodations are student friendly. The next question I receive is, Mama, are they going to pay for our flight ticket and visa? That is a capital no. They are not paying for your flight ticket. They are not paying for your visa. The cost of your visa and your flight ticket is solely dependent on you. The next question, which is the most important question people were asking me, is the proof of fund. Besties, I am going to list it out for you in this video, the proof of fund. This is how Finland works. Remember, the vocational education in Finland takes 2 to 3 years. So that means you are going to be in Finland for 2 to 3 years doing these courses. Now, in Finland, if your course is 1 year and over, you will be showing a proof of fund of 6,720 euros. This money covers the number of years you are going to be in Finland. So if your study is 1 year and over, just show a statement of 6,720 euros. The number of years does not matter anymore. But if your course is less than 1 year, you will show 560 euros per month. But like we said, the topic of discussion today is the vocational studies, and it is over 1 year. So the proof of fund for you as the main applicant is 6,720 euros. I will read it out to you now. That's why I say get a pen and paper to write these things down. The cost for your family members. Here is a breakdown of the cost for your family members. All these things is what you will add for the proof of fund. For your spouse coming with you, per month is 700 euros. The spouse is even higher than the main applicant. So your spouse will be showing 8,400 euros for the number of years if your course is from 1 year up. For your first child, the cost is 500 euro per month, which is 6,000 euro per year. For your second child, it is 400 euros per month, which is 4,800 euros per year. For your third child, it is 300 euros per month, which is 3,600 euros per year. For your fourth child, it is 200 euros per year, which is 2,400 euros per month. For your fifth child, it is 100 euros per year, which is 1,200 euros, per year. For your sixth child, it is 0 euros. So besties, like I said, take a pen and paper and write this thing down according to your family size and do your calculation. The total amount you get is what should be in your bank, and the duration for Finland proof of fund is 3 months. So this money should be in your account for 3 months. In other words, if you are going to Finland, you have to start now to building your account. But I wouldn't say build the account until you get a headway that you have gotten the application, that you have been given the admission. You can start to build your account. Remember, all the ones we are doing for is starting in September 2024. I think this has settled the issue of proof of fund. The next question I easily get is, Mama, can I work while I am doing the studies? And the answer is a capital yes. Dear besties, if you are still watching me at this moment, you have not hit that subscribe button down below. Come on, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and be part of the positivity gang. It will not cost you anything. Support your baby girl. Let's move this channel to the next level. Let's move this mission to the next level. Thank you, besties, for doing that. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. Many people need to see this video so they will be prepared. Remember, I am a fan of preparation. I am a fan of having an adequate plan before you venture into anything whatsoever, so you don't become stranded in the middle of the ocean. Like I was saying, yes, in Finland, every student have 30 hours to work in a week. So you can work 30 hours a week while you are studying. Of course, they are not expecting you not to work because, come on, you have to take care of yourself. So Finland gives you 30 hours. Then, if you are a student and your studies needs internship, right? Then the time you are doing your internship does not count to the 30 hours. So you are exempted from 30 hours. Let's say you are doing nursing, doctors, all these courses that requires internship in the hospital. You are not restricted to 30 hours. So please take note of that. Then for your spouse, 100%, your spouse is going to work for as long as he or she wants to work in Finland. Now, permit me to let you know that there are different permits that you will get as a student in Finland. You will get a resident permit, and this resident permit is classified into A permit and B permit. A permit is for people that are going to study university education, higher education, master's, PhD, bachelor's degree. If you are granted an A permit in Finland, after 4 years of living in Finland, you are qualified for the permanent resident in Finland. But then the B permit is the one you get as a vocational study in Finland. If you get this vocational study in Finland, you will be given a B permit. So a B permit means that you have to upgrade it to A permit after your studies in Finland. Or if you get a job and switch to a work permit, then that is fine. But if not, after your vocational education, you go higher to a degree level, that is a university level, and have an A permit. Your dependent will also be given a B permit. If you are getting an A permit, your dependent will also be given an A permit. I hope this is clear. So all of you going via this route, vocational education is free education, then you'll be getting a B permit, which you will upgrade after your studies. Or if you get a job, you change automatically to a work permit. Another question I get often is, member positivity, can I come with my dependents? 100%. You can apply with your dependents at the same time and move to Finland at the same time with your dependents on the studies. The next question someone asked me is, are they going to be feeding and all that? Yes, in the vocational education, you get a free lunch in any school day. So any day you have classes, you will be fed a lunch in school, not breakfast. So you eat breakfast from home. When it's lunchtime, you eat free food in school. I hope this helps. The next thing I will talk about is the Duolingo English test. Duolingo is acceptable both in Canada. Some colleges in Canada accept Duolingo and different parts of the world. So Duolingo is changing their questions from 2nd of April 2024. I got the notification. I will leave it on the screen. So the cost of Duolingo English test is 32,000 naira. If you really want to do Duolingo, if you want to have this Duolingo, now is the right time to have it before they increase their price. Duolingo is not a difficult exam. All the people that are in my WhatsApp group that I have been training, I have been helping for this Finland, I used to teach them this Duolingo before they write it. And all of them, the least mark we have gotten is 115 over 160, which is a very good pass mark because the cutoff for this vocational studies in Finland is 85. So all my students have been passing Duolingo. So if you really want to have Finland as a plan B or your main plan, please, now is the right time to write Duolingo. Don't say I did not tell you before it increased. The last time I told you guys to write Duolingo and wait, many of you didn't write. Now this crew came and everybody was rushing. It will not cost you anything. The cost of shawarma now in Nigeria is 5,000 naira, if I'm not mistaken. Take away 6 days of shawarma, add it 2,000 naira, go and write Duolingo and keep it. No certificate is a waste. No knowledge is a waste. It might come up for you to use it at any time. This application is what you can do on your own 100%. Then, if you believe I am too busy, I don't have that time, I'm not positivity, I need help, then send us a DM at adakinscanada@gmail.com and we are going to take off the stress from you, coach you to write the Duolingo, help you make payments. Like many of you are finding it difficult to pay with your card, we will help you pay for the Duolingo. We will help you do the application. We will train you for the 2 minutes video. We will prepare you for the exam. We will prepare you for the interview. And then we will make sure you get this admission. Everybody in our group, we're not only applying to one school for them. We're applying to any school as far as they're open. Dear besties, this will come with a fee. It is not free. So don't come to my DM, to my email, expecting me to render these services for free for you. No, I have staffs helping me to do all these things and they get paid their salary. So it comes with a fee. So if you believe you are too busy for us to do this, kindly send us a DM on email and you will be added to the WhatsApp group. Today, we are having a class. So we have class always. Now, those of you sending me email to write exam, Duolingo exam for you, I don't write exam for anybody. You are going to write your exam for yourself. But I will coach you. I will train you on how to go about it. A Duolingo exam is only 1 hour. It's not a difficult exam. It doesn't take time. So besties, this will bring us to the end of this video. I hope this video answers all your questions, clears all your doubts, all your curiosity on these vocational studies in Finland. And yes, it is free. You can move with your dependents. You can work on this visa. I wish you guys the very, very best of luck. The application ongoing now is the cleaner application. Later this year, they are starting another practical nurse in another campus. So my eye is on there to know when it starts. If you know, I will do it for you. Join the team now, because when it starts, I will start applying for people in the team. And don't be left out. If you want to join the practical nursing, join the team now. Join the group, or you keep an eye on the website yourself to know when they start. Again, other ones like catering, cook, chef, and the rest of them is still coming up this year as well. So we are hoping others come up. If you ask me, it is not bad. It is a way to get started. Yes, it's also a win-win situation. So get started. Finland is a good location, as I will always say. Your children will have free education just like every other country. Everything is intact. I wish you guys the very, very best of luck. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I will see you guys in our next one, coming up by God's grace on Tuesday. Do not miss it for anything. For now, bye.